Over 323 wildfires have burned in central and northeastern Colombia since the beginning of the year. While hundreds of these fires have been put out, there are dozens that continue to burn in those regions, according to data from the National Disaster Risk Management Unit. Colombia is one of 9 nations in South America that have seen their Amazon regions hit by a drought, which scientists say is driven by climate change. The government has now declared a state of emergency to free up resources and requested international help to fight the blazes, which are expected to worsen in coming days due to warm, dry conditions associated with the El Niño weather phenomenon. President Gustavo Petro said Chile, Peru, the United States, and Canada have already responded to the call for help. As the Andean country waits for additional help from abroad, take a look at some of the firefighting efforts by soldiers and volunteers in recent days. The Colombian Army has deployed more than 600 soldiers as well as aircraft and vehicles to emergency areas. Below, Colombian soldiers and members of the rescue team put out a forest fire in the capital Bogota on June 24. A helicopter from the Armed Forces ferries and drops water to put out a forest fire in Bogota on Jan 23. A man, along with a worker from the Forestry Brigade of the Regional Autonomous Corporation, works to extinguish a fire in an area in Nemocon, Colombia, about 60 kilometers north of Bogota on Jan 25. Wildfires have swept across central and northeastern Colombia this month. View of a forest fire in the wooded, mountainous area near Bogota, a city with a population of nearly 8 million, on Jan 25. Flames rise from a forest during a wildfire in Bogota on Jan 24. General view of the city choked with smoke as wildfires burn, after the district government declared an air quality emergency in Bogota on Jan 26.